Happy Unit, headed by the Group Commander, Aljon Angeles, Rina Mundad, S1, Jericho Emilio, S2, Ren Ansi Alayo, S3, Dennis Roldan, S4, Major Leader, Lionel Magimalos, DLC Leader, Christian Soke, Happy Company Commander, David Jan Sulun, Company EXO, Giancarlo Criado, First Commander Boy, Ian Kenneth Rodriguez, Second Commander Reverse, Francisca Sulon, Principal, Raul P. Putis, Happy Facilitator, Vincent Durante, Major Coordinator, Ibalin Doctor, DLC Coordinator, Manuel Moranda, Assistant Major Engineer, Maria Abigail Orcaya, Assistant Engineer, Hazel Arevalo, MAPI Coordinator, Chema Clarito. Ladies and gentlemen, from Villaverde Pina High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur.